Swat family, keep a lot swat, keep a lot swat family, keep a lot swat, keep a lot swat family, keep a lot swat, keep a lot swat family. Tune in, come have fun with my family. Good time to me and my family. We all got lots, cause you know we a family. Keep a lot swat family.
I got a fake tongue. I'm about to prank my son, act like I'm about to pierce my tongue. He always overprotective, so I want to see his reaction. I got fake blood. I got a needle. I get straight into it. Za! I'm about to pierce my tongue.
Wait, now why are you doing something like that?
Go get the tissue. Go get the tissue.
What's going on? Huh? Why you stop, please? Oh, look at that. You're bleeding. You should listen to me next time. Stop doing crazy stuff like this. You need to stop doing crazy stuff like this.
You know what, Jay? Y'all wanted the sun reveal? I'm about to go in the car and make up an altercation and tell my fiance. I want to see his reaction and see what he gonna do. So we keep getting in the car. Babe, when I was in the store, they had the dude trying to talk to me. He had grabbed my hand. I just jacked away from him. Like, who the hell are you touching?
I told you if you let me come in the store, nothing would have been like that. I would have shut that down.
Really tough.
Yeah, really. Just turn this car around.
So I was just glad. So they wanted to see. There you go. All right. I'm done. How you feel about that prank yesterday?
Man, I wish your tongue would have fell off live.
Y'all wanted more pranks? I'm about to prank him. Acting like I'm smoking a cigarette, but I'm gonna try to prank all 3 of my boys. So yeah, let's get it. Za! Give me a lighter.
What you need a lighter for?
I'm trying to smoke.
Smoke what?
Cigarette?
You serious?
Yes.
Give it here.
No.
I swear, give it here.
No.
Give it here.
No. No. Look what it is.
You ain't about to smoke this.
Hurry. Move. Give me my cigarette.
No.
Give me my
Yes,
cigarette.
Madison.
Hello, babe.
Daddy,
What you
give me
doing?
something. Daddy, give me something to drink out the stove.
Wait, this not daddy.
Then who is that? Who is you calling babe?
Alright, I'm gonna call you back. I love you. Zaz, what you doing? Get your hand away from me. Zaz.
Who you love?
I love my daddy. Zaz, alright.
Ready.
Alright.
Ready. If that's your dad, you won't be calling him babe.
Zaz. That's I got a new boyfriend, Zaz. Don't tell daddy, okay? Shh. He coming to the call. Shh. Please.
Daddy, check her phone. She been to die.
Zaz!
Oh, really?